Today, I'll teach you how to introduce yourself using simple, natural phrases that people use every single day. Not boring textbook sentences, but simple, natural English that helps you sound fluent and confident. You don't need perfect grammar, you just need to start. So you can follow me step by step and I'll help you every single moment. Hi there and welcome back to English with Lucia. Let's get started. Let's begin with saying hello. This could begin with meeting a stranger and introducing yourself for the first time. Here are some easy ways to greet someone. Hi, hello, ahoy. Okay. You can also start with good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and all the phrases that we went through in 50 easy phrases with English with Lucia. So after you finish this video, go and check them out. You don't need to say all of them, just a simple hi can be more than enough. Starting the conversation. Now, if you want to be friendly and start the conversation, you can say, hi, how are you? Or, hi, how are you doing? Or, how's it going? Or, how's your day? Saying your name. After you say hello, the next step is to say your name. So, for example, hi, my name is Lucia. Or, hi, I'm Lucia. Or you can say, you can call me Lucy. And this is a shortened nickname version. Yes, you can use whichever name you feel comfortable with me. Okay. Now, let's ask for the other person's name. So, for example, what's your name? So you could say, hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name? Hi, I'm Adam. Nice to meet you. Where you're from. Let's talk about where you're from. So you can say, hi, where are you from? I'm from, and your city or your country. So, for example, I'm from Bristol in England. Where are you from? You don't need to give a long answer. Just keep it simple. What you do. Next, we're going to learn how to talk about what we do. This could be your job, or if you're a student, you can tell someone that you're studying. You can say, I'm a student. Or you could say, I work as a artist, doctor, whatever your job is. If someone asks, what do you do? They are asking about your daily job or activity. So you can answer with any of these phrases. Choose whichever one fits for you. Optional details. Now, if you want to share a little bit more about yourself, you can add some optional details like hobbies, talking about your family, etc. Here are some bonus phrases that you can use. I like reading books, or I love cooking, or I absolutely love traveling. I'm married. I speak a little bit of English. You don't have to say all of these things, but if you want to keep the conversation going, it's nice, polite, friendly, small talk. Full introduction. Let's try a full introduction example. Hi, I'm Lucia. I am an English teacher from England. I love making YouTube videos and traveling and meeting new people. How about you? Okay, so a really useful question to ask someone after you've introduced them yourself is to say, how about you? So now we're asking about the other person and inviting them to introduce themselves to us. You can say it slowly, one sentence at a time. So take your time to pause and practice each word. That's it. Now you know how to introduce yourself in English. These introductory phrases are simple and useful, and they will help you to break the ice in a new conversation. Practice with your friends, in the mirror, and even with me in the comments. And remember, don't worry if you make a mistake. Just speak and practice and you'll feel confident in no time. If you liked this lesson, please like the video and subscribe. By the way, if you want to keep learning, then visit my website, englishwithlucia.com, where you can read helpful articles, download free guides, and even book a private English lesson with me. See you next time for more English practice. Bye.